Hey everybody, every once in a while I have a project where I want to simulate like tongue and groove or beadboard, and I have a real easy way to do that. It's so easy I'm almost ashamed to say. What I do is I take my track saw and I just cut a groove about, I don't know, 1.5 millimeters deep, and it looks great. Once the groove is cut, I take a piece of sandpaper and run along the groove and just put a small little subtle bevel on it, and it turns out great. This is a piece of 3/4 inch hard maple. This is a piece of 1/4 inch birch plywood, and this I think is oak plywood, 3/4 inch oak plywood. So just take the track saw and cut the groove. Now you may say, well, I don't have a track saw. Well, guess what? You can do it with a regular circular saw, and I'm going to demonstrate both techniques. But here's the thing. When you do this, step back a few feet to admire it, and don't overthink it, because once you get some paint or stain or whatever you're going to do on it, or even clear coat, I promise it's going to look great. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, maybe learned something, remember, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and check it out.